stuff out.
That funnels.
That's going to be all in my pee bag.
Me?
Someone hold it.
That funnel works so
Let
badly.
me in the room.
Let's go.
Oh, that was great.
Wait, Henry, it wasn't me. It was David.
Where's Henry?
Let's go.
Get me Henry.
Give me Henry.
Say I'm not.
John! I was going to grow some seeds. He was in the room and put it all over me on the floor. He's going to get eaten.
I'm actually going to pour it all down his back and then kick him out.
We'll take your bag. Go down there. We'll take your bag. Wait.
You might as well keep it.
David, don't waste it. Birds want that. Feed the birds or something, David.
I did nothing. So he's going to. What are you going to do?
That's why it's funny. He didn't do anything to deserve this.
Get Henry.
Wait, bring me to Henry.
Bring me to Henry.
Bring me to him. Let's kill some bitches, David.
Alright, Henry's going over Henry said. Give it shit if I hold you. I'm going to get Henry and hold him.
Yeah,
I'm going to go and hold him from Nick. Get him outside, Alex. If I hold you tonight.
David, he actually went out and he texted me, go, oh, guess what, I bought 7 kilograms of birdseed. And I was like, what the fuck?
Henry.
He came out, I'll pour it down all his neck.
He's probably in trouble with the teachers at the moment.
I want to pour it, I'd rather pour it down his neck than get in trouble.
He's going to
Don't film me for it.
This is YouTube material.
Wait, he's in there. He's in there. I'll hold your bag. He's in
I
that
can't
room.
do it in the room. So
Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can. No, yeah, you can.
You can't? Why has no one got moral here?
Bloody rain.
It's so...
He didn't. Seriously, he didn't. He's Christian.
Did he get banged for no reason? Yeah.
And you're part of this.
He's like, man, you're violent. Threw it all over.
What do you want this?
Miss Taplin's room if you
Leave it in
can.
Miss Season.
Go on, yeah.
Oh, that's funny as hell.
I don't really care now.
Yeah, you do.
Oh, I gotta get a video.
Outside, guys.
This is gonna be
This is
great.
gonna be good.
Revenge. Henry, you're in for it. You and your shitty ideas, Henry. Wait, I need a close-up on Henry.
Being catching a Spider-Man.
Did you get the seeding, by the way?
Yeah, it was well
How
good.
did he react?
He was like...
I'm glad he took it well, seriously, I am.
And then he poured seed on some people. He poured seed on Alex and then Ben.
You played a part in this.
Come on, David. Oh, crap, ball. Get a cup. Get a cup ball.
Actually put it down his neck.
Right, beat him up. Beat him up,
Score a bit quick with David, that's it.
Ow! He deserved it. Why deserve it? Because your friends ruined me. She just attacked me for some reason. It's not over.
Oh, damn it, I missed that. Do it again, David. Oh.
No one likes
That's YouTube material.
Let's have a bad seed fight!
What else?
Yeah, about 7 kills.
David, that's only about 3. Jackie stopped us before we could empty them.
Shit. How much did you put in there?
Happy birds!
Footprint.
David, if it's any consolation,
Oh.
we picked birdseed because we knew it wouldn't damage your stuff.
It would just fuck with you.
Yeah.
But think about how much we care not to use anything worse.
Back, please?
I can't believe I was so silly to put my bag down. I was expecting it. Henry the douchebag.
The train's over there, by the way.
Just keep brushing.
Well, yeah.
This is so much better than lessons.
It's what he's going to do when he's older.
It's practice. Work experience.
Come on, Henry. You've made us.
Dustpan, that's not going to work at all.
It's funny, he's been insulted by a foreign person.
That's on video and it's going on YouTube. It's funny foreign person. Can't believe it.